In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers to your video projects using CapCut, an increasingly popular video editing app that offers a range of features to enhance your creative projects. Whether you're using CapCut for personal storytelling, content creation, or professional video editing, adding stickers can bring your project to life and add an engaging touch. Let's dive in and start exploring how to use this feature. First, direct your attention to the workspace and notice the menu at the top of the screen. Here you'll find the Stickers option, which is your gateway to a world of ready-made graphic elements that can greatly elevate your video's visual appeal. Go ahead and click on Stickers. This action opens up a panel showcasing a variety of built-in stickers. CapCut provides a rich assortment of these to suit different themes and styles, making it easier for you to find the perfect match for your video's mood or message. But what if you have something specific in mind that's not part of the built-in assortment? CapCut has you covered. By clicking the Import button, you have the flexibility to upload custom stickers. This option is particularly useful if you want to incorporate branding elements like logos or any unique graphics that you've designed or gathered. Now that you have selected or imported your desired sticker, the next step is to infuse it into your project. To do this, simply drag your chosen sticker onto the timeline. This is where you control exactly when and where your sticker appears within your video. After dragging it to the timeline, position it onto the screen right where you envision it having the most impact. Be attentive to the placement, considering how it interacts with other elements of your video, ensuring it complements rather than overwhelms. Once your sticker is placed, you can take it a step further with sizing and animation. Click on the sticker in your timeline to access the Animation tab. Here, you're equipped to resize your sticker, adjusting it to be prominent enough to catch viewers' eyes without being too overpowering. The Animation tab also allows you to bring your sticker to life with movement. You can apply subtle animations like fade-ins or more dynamic movements that suit the tone and style of your video. Experiment with these options to see what adds the desired layer of polish to your project. And there you have it. Following these steps, you can effortlessly integrate stickers into your CapCut projects, creating videos that are not only visually captivating, but also uniquely tailored to your creative vision. Remember, the right sticker can transform a simple video into a memorable experience, so take your time to experiment and find the perfect fit. Happy editing, and thanks for tuning in.